Hello all, today we are going to learn about the math subject. So everybody feels math is very tough, but if you learn in a proper way, so it is very easy subject. So I will try to teach you as easiest as possible. Okay, so you know the four basic fundamentals in the maths, right? So you know that additions, okay, subtractions, okay, multiplications and divisions. Okay, so basically additions, subtractions, multiplications and divisions, right? These are all the basic fundamentals. Like if you know about the basic theory of the BODMAS, this is very important. BODMAS. Okay, so I am poor in the writing of the English. BODMAS. BODMAS. You know about this, what is BODMAS, right? So as of now, we are not going to worry about the BO. So we will go with the DMAS. What is DMAS? D is a division. Okay, D is a division. Okay, M is a multiplication. A is a addition. And S is a subtraction. Okay. So this is a basic theory we have to learn. So we will concentrate more about the BO later, but we will concentrate more on the DMAS now. Okay. So what do you mean DMAS? Say for example, if you are going to do the calculations, okay, first it has to be division, then it has to be multiplication, then it has to be addition, then it has to be subtractions. Okay. So when you are going to be really with the multiple calculations, say for example 5 divided by 2 into 1 plus 2 minus 2. So if we are going to the big calculations, we have to use this DMAS. So as of now, we are not going to worry about this theory now. So we will go with the normal basics, basic things now. Okay. So these are all the basics. And one more thing, this is very important. The BODMAS one. The other one is you have to keep in your mind. This is very most important in the basics. And the second most important things are, there are plus into plus equal to plus. The second one is plus into minus equal to, then plus into minus equal to minus. Okay, so minus into plus equal to minus, minus into minus equal to plus. These four are very important things. The plus into plus equal to plus, and plus into minus equal to minus, minus into plus equal to minus, minus into minus equal to plus. It is very easy. If you see that if there is any plus and minus is there, that is becoming minus. If there is any minus, plus is there, that is minus. The remaining are positives. So plus are always plus only. Minus into minus equal to plus. So you have to by heart, or you have to keep in your mind always. These four are the important things. Okay. So can you repeat? Plus into plus equal to plus, plus into minus equal to minus, minus into plus equal to minus, minus into minus equal to plus. So we have to remember the BODMAS as well as the these symbols, plus into plus plus, plus into minus minus, minus into plus minus, minus into minus plus. So today we are going to concentrate about the additions and subtractions. Okay. So basically there are two types of numbers, right? This is one is a positive number, and the other one is a negative number. Okay. So if you see the numbers, positive and negative numbers will be like this. If you see that 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are all the positive numbers. Basically positive numbers will have a symbols of plus, but usually when you are not mentioning the symbols, that is positive always. So let us see, if you give positive numbers, it will be like this. If it is a negative, so it will be like -1, -2, -3, -4, and -5, so on, so on. Okay, now we will see the additions. Say for example, there are two numbers, right? 2 plus 3 equal to how much? If you see that the 2 is a positive number, so we are not writing +2, but 2 is a positive number, and 3 is also a positive number. We are going to put the plus symbol here, and 3 is also a positive number. We are going to do the addition between, right? So this is addition, and this is also a positive number. So in the bracket we will not put it like this, right? Plus 3, right? So we will put it as a bracket equal to how much? If you remember that this +2, yeah, if you see that BODMAS theory, what is the BODMAS here? B means bracket. Okay, so B means bracket. So first we have to simplify the calculations in the bracket. Next division, next multiplication, next addition, that's the next subtraction. So here first in the bracket, whatever it is, we have to clear it first. So we have to write it +2. So what is plus into plus? This is into, we can see, think it as, so plus into plus, plus and 3. So what is +2 plus 3? What will be? Both are positive numbers, right? So +2 and +3 equal to 2 plus 3, how much? 5. So we will call it as 5. Okay. Or if you see that we can write it as a 2 plus 3. So 2 plus 3 means, like, we will say 2, 3. So we will say it as 5 if it is a positive number, right? If it is a negative number, like, see, if you apply the same thing here, +2 plus 3. So +2 plus 3, this is 5, total answer. Okay. If it is +3 minus 2, what is that? +3 minus 2. So this is +3 minus 2. So these two will be cancelled. So this is answer is 1. Which one? +1, positive 1. See, if you calculate here, what is it? What we have to do? Plus addition. We are doing the addition, right? Okay. So what is the plus into minus? Minus. We have to do the minus here. 3. So here, when you are adding the two numbers here, so 2 plus 3, what are we doing? We are doing addition. Okay. What is 2? Positive 2. What is 3? Positive 3. So when you are doing addition, okay, addition, so we have to say that, plus into plus, plus, we have to do the plus number here. So 2 plus 3, 5. So whichever is the greatest, that symbol we have to put it here. But here everything is positive, we can put it directly here, +5. This is positive 5. The same thing when you are doing the plus 3 minus 2, we'll see the same thing, addition only. Plus 3 minus 2, we are doing addition. What are we doing? We are doing addition. So here always we have to multiply with the down number only. Plus into minus, minus, we have to minus it. So what is this? 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay. Which one? Whichever is the greatest. Which is the greatest one? 3 is the greatest one. Which is the symbol is having plus. So this is +1 is the answer. Okay. If you apply the same thing here, you can see here. So +2, the first addition, +2 plus 3. +2 means 1, 2. +3 means 1, 2, 3. So what is the total answer? 5. Right. Total answer is 5. If same thing, +3 minus 2. If you see +3 minus 2, +3, 1, 2, 3, minus 2, minus 2. So when you are going addition, so these 2 will be nullified. This 2 will be cancelled. You can say this 2 will be cancelled. And what is the answer? 1. Only 1 is left, right? Which one? Which number is positive number? So if you see that this is a positive number here, see? I think don't confuse with this. So when you are doing that, 2 plus 3, when you are doing addition, put it a symbol here. So for when you are practicing, it will come automatically. Plus into plus plus, we have to do the addition for these two numbers. 2 plus 3, 5. Which 5? Whichever is greatest. But here both are positive, you can put positive, but best practice is whichever is a positive number, you put it there. Next, plus 3 minus 2. What are we doing? Addition. We are going to put a symbol here, plus. Okay. So plus into minus, minus. So we are doing a minus of this. 3 minus 2, 1. Which symbol we have to put it? Plus symbol. So this is a positive one. Now subtractions. Subtractions. Same thing. If you see minus 3, okay, and minus 2. If you are going to do the subtraction here, what are we going to do the subtraction here? 3 minus 3 and minus 2. So we have to put a symbol here, minus. Okay. So what is minus into minus? Plus. We have to add these two numbers. What is the total? 3 plus 2, 5. Just to add this number, we have to put it this. Okay. So whichever is the greatest, we have to put it that, right? Even both are minus, we can put it as minus. But whichever is the greatest is the best practice, 5. So if you apply the same thing here, what is this? Minus 3. 1, 2, 3. And minus 2. 1, 2. What is the answer? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? See? 5. Which 5? All are negatives. Negative 5. So this is, don't confuse with this. So just to understand it, that we are saying. So they will take other number. Minus 4, minus 1. What we have to do? We have to do the subtraction. So put it a symbol here, minus. Okay. So in the down number only we will calculate always. So minus into minus, plus. We have to do the plus of these two. What is the 4 plus 1? 5. Which symbol you have to put it? Minus 5. Whichever is the greatest, or all are negative here, put it as a negative symbol. Okay. So don't confuse with this. I will just simply give you the addition and subtract side by side. You will get it, understand. These are all the basics before going to the fractions kind of thing. This is very important, that. So I will add it additions and subtractions simultaneously. So additions and subtractions. Now if you see 3 plus 2, this is 5. 3 minus 2 equal to 1. 3 minus 2. So here this is plus 3 and this is minus 2. So we are saying subtraction here. So what is that? Plus into minus, minus into minus plus, right? This we are doing a subtraction here. This is addition. If it is a addition, that is a different one. If it is a minus one, subtraction, minus into minus plus. So we have to do the plus 5. Which 5? Plus 5. Right? When you are doing a minus. Okay. Minus into minus plus, 3 plus 2, 5. So which number it is? 5. So if it is a addition, what are we going to do? These are the plus into plus, 3 plus 2, 5. Whichever is the greatest, we put it that. So same thing here. Plus 3 minus 2. What are we doing here? We are doing this is addition. This is subtractions. So minus 3 plus 2. Okay. So what are we doing? Minus here. So minus into minus plus. Okay. 3 plus 2, 5. Which 5? Positive 5. That's it.